We're going to go through an FRC, knee internal rotation, PAILS and rails. So to set up, I'm going to take the same arm and bring it underneath this leg. This hand will go on my bicep, and then from here, I'm going to place this hand on the outside of my foot. I want to bring the knee into internal rotation, so I'm going to pull the foot inwards like this, but I want to think about rotating the tibia with that as well. I bring the knee into internal rotation. Now, being the knee is quite delicate, so I don't want to pull into a deep passive stretch, but a mild stretch, or where I start to see there's a bit of restriction in getting into this stretch, then I'm going to hold here for 90 seconds to 2 minutes. After which my PAILS contraction is going to be external rotation of the knee. So I'm thinking about rotating the knee in this direction. In order to do so, I will also consider using the outside tissue in order to create that effort. So I'm engaging all of this as I try to drive the knee externally. Thinking also about using deep inside the knee to create that effort. So I'm in my passive stretch. I begin by externally rotating the knee. My hand stays here to block it, and I slowly build up to my prescribed effort. Once again, being the knee and being quite delicate, I would only work up to roughly 70%, 80% of my max effort. I hold for the prescribed amount of time, and then the rails contraction will be internal rotation. So I'm going to think about rotating the knee this way. So I now want to think about engaging this region of tissue to create that effort. So without the support of my hand, I create internal rotation, thinking about rotating through the knee, engaging inside this region here. I also hold for the prescribed amount of time, and then my hand will go back on the outside of the foot, and I'll pull slightly deeper into a new passive range. From here, I'll hold for about 15 to 30 seconds before I go into my second round.